Hello, my name is Charles Asley. Today I will be sharing my video assignment about pipeline pigging operation. I have been assigned to set up a simple application of a pigging operation. Based on the diagram, the pigging operation is carried out to clean the pipeline and remove fluid A trapped in the pipeline. This is because it is to change the function of the pipeline that flows fluid A to fluid B. As we can see, this is my simple pigging operation setup that is equipped with a pig launcher, pig receiver, a few valves, a pipeline, and a tank where fluid A or fluid B is kept. Before we begin the operation, we must ensure that valve 2 and 3 are closed to stop the flow of any fluid to the horizontal pipeline where the pigging operation happens. Make sure to close all of the other valves too except valves 6 and 7. After all of the closing process is done, we can then proceed to the pigging operation. First, open up the pig launcher lid and insert the foam pig. Then close the pig launcher lid and use the town gas flow to carry the pig into the pipeline. Then, open valve 1 so that the pig foam can enter the pipeline to begin the pigging process. The gas town will push the foam pig inside the pipeline with a specific pressure according to the operational suitability. The foam pig will act as a repellent that will push and drain the remaining fluid A inside the pipeline to tank A. Open valve 5 so that the foam pig can get out of the pipeline and get to the pig receiver. The foam pig arrives at the other end of the pipeline where the pig receiver is designed for receiving the pig. Then, take out the foam pig from it. Finally, the pigging operation is done. The pipeline which was previously used to flow fluid A to tank is now clean of any fluid. Now the pipeline operation can be used to flow fluid B to tank B. Make sure to close all the other valves except valves 3 and 8 so it doesn't disturb pipeline operational flow. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching.